How to fix Shopify domain error needs attention problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Simply go to Play Store and then search for Shopify. Make sure you have the latest version of this application by checking whether or not there is an update button instead of this open button. After that, go to Settings, go to Apps, find Shopify application, tap on it, go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.